Best camping chairs. Look for features like sturdy frames, weather-resistant fabric, and easy folding mechanisms. Some models include cup holders and storage pockets for convenience. Lightweight designs make transporting a breeze. Explore the best Coleman camping chairs to find the perfect match for your outdoor adventures. Enjoy the great outdoors in comfort and style. Coleman Portable Quad Camp Chair with 4-can cooler. Enjoy the outdoors with the Coleman Portable Quad Camp Chair. This chair features a built-in 4-can cooler for convenience. Cushioned seating ensures comfort during long camping trips. Side pockets and a cup holder keep essentials within reach. Easy to carry with the included bag. Perfect for camping, picnics, or outdoor events. Advantages: enjoy comfortable seating with the cushioned seat and backrest. Feel relaxed during long outdoor gatherings or camping trips. Convenience at your fingertips. Keep drinks cold in the 4-can cooler. No need for extra coolers, everything stays within reach. Organize storage with side pockets. Store essentials like snacks, phone, or sunscreen. No more searching through bags. Stay hydrated with the built-in cup holder. Your drink is always nearby and secure. Easy transport with the included carry bag. Yay! Lightweight and portable design for effortless movement. Perfect for any outdoor adventure. Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camp Chair with carry bag. Experience comfort with the Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camp Chair. Its cooling mesh back keeps you refreshed outdoors. Adjustable arms provide personalized relaxation for every adventure. Convenient cup holder ensures your drink is always within reach. Easy to carry with the included bag, making it perfect for camping trips. Enjoy leisure time with this reliable and comfortable chair. Advantages: enjoy comfort with the cooling mesh backrest. Breathable fabric keeps you cool. Relax with the adjustable arms. Customized for personal comfort every time. Convenience in every seat. Built-in cup holder for easy access. Travel made easy with the carry bag. Effortless transport wherever you go. Durable design for lasting use. Reliable in various outdoor settings. Coleman Outpost Elite Folding Camp Chair with Side Table. Experience ultimate comfort with the Coleman Outpost Elite Folding Camp Chair. This chair features a handy side table and cup holder, perfect for your outdoor needs. Its weather-resistant material ensures durability in all conditions. With supportive armrests, relaxation is just a seat away. Easy to fold and carry. It's ideal for camping adventures. Advantages: comfortable seating with armrests enhances your outdoor relaxation experience. Integrated side table keeps essentials within easy reach. Cup holder ensures your drink stays secure and spill-free. Weather-resistant design withstands outdoor conditions effortlessly. Portable and foldable, ideal for camping trips and events. Coleman Big and Tall Quad Chair with Cup Holder. Experience ultimate comfort with the Coleman Big and Tall Quad Chair. Designed for tailgating and camping adventures. This oversized camping chair supports up to 600 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability. Stay organized with a built-in cup holder and side pocket for essentials. Crafted from water-resistant fabric, this chair withstands outdoor conditions with ease. Convenient carry bag included for easy transport and storage. Advantages: sturdy design supports up to 600 pounds comfortably. Ideal for everyone. Water-resistant material keeps you dry during unexpected rain. Convenient cup holder and side pocket for easy access items. Great for camping, tailgating, and other outdoor activities. Comes with a carry bag for simple transportation and storage. 5. Coleman Portable Aluminum Camp Chair with Side Table. Enjoy your outdoor adventures with the Coleman Portable Aluminum Camp Chair. Lightweight and easy to carry. Perfect for camping trips. The built-in side table and cup holder keep your drinks and snacks handy. Its sturdy aluminum frame offers great support. Folds easily for convenient storage and transport. Ideal for relaxing in nature. Advantages: enjoy ultimate comfort with the Coleman Portable Aluminum Camp Chair. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. Perfect for outdoor activities. Experience the convenience of an attached side table. Ideal for holding snacks and small items. No need for extra tables. Built-in cup holder keeps your drink secure. No spills. Enjoy your beverage without hassle. Durable aluminum construction ensures long-lasting use. Reliable and sturdy. Ideal for camping trips. Easy folding mechanism for quick setup and storage. Saves time. More time for outdoor fun.